Hello, I'm Ross Acucena, Director of Applications at Integris Life Science, and I'm here today to talk to you about our single-use mixer platform. Single-use mixers are a true workhorse unit operation in bioprocessing. It is common that for each process train, there could be 15 to 20 intermediate steps in reagent preps that require mixing. There are two current trends in the bioprocessing industry right now that make our Integris mixing platform a highly valued asset. The first of those trends is the rapidly increasing consumption of single-use components and systems. This has caused significant supply constraints across industry that are impacting the ability of drug manufacturers to meet their development and supply objectives. Our standard mixer platform can be deployed rapidly, and we can also customize our mixer platform to fit many types of installed base mixer hardware to keep you up and running if supply issues have you down. The second of those trends is the commercial proliferation of biologics with new market access, bringing cost pressures and an increased focus on cost of goods sold and total cost of ownership of technology. Here, our mixer platform is well suited to fit this need by applying agitation via recirculation and a jet mixer nozzle. Therefore, the cost of expensive molded impellers and single-use bearings is avoided while the mixing power remains intact. Additionally, a simple peristaltic pump can drive our mixer hardware, thereby reducing the hardware costs, simplifying maintenance and spare part requirements. And now I'll pass off to our product manager, Donnie Beers, who's going to talk a little bit more about the capabilities and features of our mixer platform.
The mixing bag is an economical design which doesn't include a heavy stainless part such as a propeller or an impeller. This system is specifically suited to high shear mixing, including recirculation of homogeneous solutions. The mixing system is a multi-layer barrier bag which reduces risk in your application. Staging the mixing bag prior to filling requires two people to orient correctly, but minimal intervention is needed in deployment to make sure the bag fills properly. The Integris mixing system has a powder port, it has a recirculation loop on it, and it has a 316L stainless steel nozzle that can be used to create agitation in the tank. The tube it's connected to is a dip tube, which goes to the bottom and creates the agitated mixing. By controlling the rate of addition and recirculation, the mixing nozzle can have a very turbulent flow. This allows for adequate mixing at or above the level of a propeller or impeller mixing system. The non-impeller mixing system allows most solutions, either liquid to liquid or powder to liquid, to become homogeneous within about 5 minutes. The mixing system is completely customizable, including tubing elements, continuous tubing, or anything else you can think of. If your conical drum has side ports or you would like additional features added to the bag, that customization is possible as well. For customers that don't have their own conical bottom drum, we also provide the conical bottom drum that fits the mixing system. The most common sizes are 50 liter, 100 liter, and 200 liter, but again, customization is key. You can get anything up to an 1,000 liter mixing system if you need it. Mainly, the customization is limited by the tote that it's going to go in or conical drum, so the dimensions have to fit each unique situation. Our application specialists can help you determine the mixing profile that you need for your specific application, including pH and conductivity changes over time, and determining what recirculation speed is needed to mix adequately.
We have a great team of highly expertised engineers and scientists who are ready to engage and help you meet your single-use processing objectives. To request our support, you can reach out to your life science account manager. Additionally, if you'd like more information about our products and capabilities, you can click on our landing page for life science. Thank you.